Hi friends, and welcome back to my channel. Today I'm inviting you to join me on my latest IKEA shopping trip. As you can see, this time of year IKEA is filled with beautiful holiday decorations. There are a variety of Christmas tree ornaments, lights, and wreaths. So let's enjoy these first before we proceed to furniture. How cute are these? They even have the artificial Christmas trees in multiple sizes. Looks pretty realistic. And these cute Santa hearts. I ended up buying these ornaments all the way on the left, and I was tempted to pick up one of these stars. These ornaments in the middle jar were my favorite colorway, but unfortunately they were completely sold out, so I couldn't get them and got the other ones instead. Look at these Santa figurines. So cute. This snow globe looks pretty cool too. I used to collect snow globes, but now on my journey to minimalism, I try not to get anything that I would want to collect. And now we are in the showroom upstairs. I really like this first room. I like this dark blue color of the walls and the combination of that with peach pink and green. It looks pretty cozy. Love all these pictures on the wall and chartreuse curtains. Velvet pillows. These pictures create a very cozy and festive vibe. I picked up this utility cart on my last trip to IKEA, and I just love this new yellow color and how it brightens up my kitchen. I always liked colorful rugs, and this one is cute.
That's the perfect tree.
Yeah. So pretty. This is my boyfriend weighing in on what he considers to be the perfect Christmas tree. I love how IKEA employees are always so creative with their decorating. These storage tables are a new item and they look pretty practical and come in two sizes. I love this white vase. It looks so pretty and such a good deal for $12.99. These chairs look pretty comfy. However, they don't have the armrests. Another new piece. And this TV unit is also new. I purchased this set last time I was here and I love it. I think all three of these are really cute and they look good together as well as each one on its own. And this is a cool piece for art lovers. It's a picture with Wi-Fi speaker. Cute figurines to add festive vibes to your kitchen or any other room. I like the combination of gold, blue, white, and silver here. Here are a couple of new utility carts and some new chairs. One of my favorite color combinations is green and pink, and we can see it here, and I love this fuzzy pillow. And here is some wrapping paper for your gifts. I love these ornaments. I ended up buying these 3 reindeer. And I also purchased this moon picture a while back, and I do really love it. And now we have entered the marketplace. I really like the rich blue color of this cookware set. And here are some new plates. And the new trays. Love these colors. They're a little bit more spring than winter, but nevertheless, they look really nice. Some new towels in multiple different colors. And the new floor mats. I like this floor tile and this vintage looking bathtub. Here we have some new pillows in many different colors and patterns. And I've seen these rugs before, but now we have 2 new colors. This light gray and this pink. In this section we have some new carpets in different fun colors and patterns. I like the look of this laundry basket, and it has wheels to make it easy to move around. I really like this lamp. It reminds me of Dior pattern. Do you guys see it? Let me know. Do you agree? And this lampshade caught my eye. I think it's very pretty. Here they have some new mirrors. These look nice. And some new art. A black and white picture of jellyfish. I really like this picture of New York. The skyline really stands out on this silver background. And here we see more art. I like these bright gold frames, and of course the unicorn and the pink color. Here are some cute artificial flowers, very springy. I like these. And here I found some new pots. I really like the two-tone color scheme on this one. These white flower pots with scalloped edge are super cute. I really enjoyed the holiday vibes throughout this whole shopping trip at IKEA, and I hope you guys enjoyed this video as well. If you did, please give this video a like and don't forget to subscribe to my channel. I really appreciate you guys and I love my subscribers so much. Thank you guys, and I will see you in my next videos. Bye bye.